Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great Tuesday. Yes, today is Tuesday, November the 5th, so happy election day. I hope everyone go vote. Doesn't really matter who you vote for, just get out and vote. So what I wanted to do, I finally am home. And I go back to work tomorrow, so I decided, hey, let's go ahead and get this video done since I haven't did a video in at least 3, almost 4 days. So I counted all the cash I have, and I will recount it. Of course, I'm going to probably, if I have time, I'll put these in here last, but I want to go ahead and put this money where it needs to go. I'll go ahead and get my cash tray now, since I do have it. And let me just move this right here, and let's see what we got. So I counted all my cash. I know how much it is. I do have $20, but it's outside in the car, so I'll have to go get it later whenever I make it out there. But everything is written down for the most part. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, which is outside. And I'm missing some. Hold on. So $180 so far, and that's including the $20 that I have outside in the car. So 85, 95, 200. I have 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. And altogether, this should be $242. So 20, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, which is 40, 41, 42. So let me just break this up. So we have $242 that we're working with. So first I'm going to start off with stuffing envelopes. So the first one, and I'll just move this over where you're able to see it. That's if you all can see this part right here. Of course, it's not in frame for the other part, but that is totally fine. And I think if yes, scoot it down like this, you will be able to see everything, and I can get a thumbnail. So first we have health, and I did go back and rewrite what's online, what I currently have in cash, which is right here, and this is what I'm putting in so far. So when it comes to health, I am putting in, well, I can just move this over. For health, I am adding in $10, and let's see, 5, 10. And I'll go back and add all of this up just to make sure. For celebration, we have $20, and celebration, let's see, special occasion. So we have $20. When it comes to fun, fun is right here. Fun is also getting $20. Now, for this fun, it's not for the Gulf Shores trip, so this is just by itself, fun by itself. Next, we have my best friend's wedding. I'll go ahead and put $20. Let's see, I can put it right here since this one has not been marked on, so we know now that this is my best friend's wedding envelope. Next, we have Gulf Shores trip, $50. So I'll grab 20, 40, 45, 50. Wait, 20, 40, 45, 50. And that actually goes into this envelope. So altogether, the Gulf Shores trip in cash has 20, 45, 55, 65, $70. And I'll update the trackers last. And I'll just do it like this. That way I can see what's what. Next, we have family, and I don't believe I have a family envelope that I know of. So car, emergency, home, health, fun, wedding, special occasion, and I can make this family. And it's getting 20 bucks. And I'll pause this. Hold on. So I did go back and write family right here, which you probably can't see, but that's okay. I can tell what it is, and let's keep moving. So when it comes to home isn't getting anything simply because I added in the money that I already had plus the half rent, which makes it $710 in alley and $10 in cash. So we'll just skip that. Protect the quarterback doesn't get anything at all. And that's because I already added money to that. For Auto in cash, Auto is getting $30. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 bucks. Let's see, Auto, so car. So car in cash, which I'll go back and update. Car in cash has 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So not bad at all. And this is a little outdated, but that's okay. So for alley interest, remember I did mention that I was going to pay this back, but not today. For miscellaneous in cash, which is to be used before the emergency fund, it is getting 10 bucks. And let me check some. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I am back. We are on miscellaneous, which is 10 bucks. So 5, 10. And for miscellaneous, I'm just going to put it in the grateful for money envelope since nothing's in there. Next, we have Travis and Jasmine is getting 10 bucks each. So hold on. So Travis and Jasmine envelope is in this binder. So what I say, $10 each. So we'll do $10 for Jasmine and $5.10 for Travis. And I hope you all are having a great day. I know election day can be a little nerve-wracking, so hopefully everything is going well with you all. Next, we should have, let's see, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. And then is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know where this is supposed to go. And let me just put it in. Hold on. So I figured everything out, and this is what everything looks like so far. So from the third paycheck, health got 10, celebration got 20, fun got 20, bestie wedding got 20, Gulf Shores got 50, family times got 20, auto got 30, miscellaneous got 10, SoFi got nothing because it's already stuffed with more money. Travis got 10, Jasmine got 10, and next, what I wanted to keep the, hold on. Okay, everything is stuffed except for this $20 that's outside and this $42 that I have in cash. Next, what I want to do, first, let's move this out the way. Well, all of this out the way. Let's just set it over to the side and Let me do this here.